Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Roblox error failed to upload library SensApi.dll. Okay, first things first, the Roblox failed to load library error typically occurs due to a missing or corrupted SensApi.dll file. Okay, so what you want to do to fix that is to open your web browser and navigate to dll-files.com and search for SensApi.dll on the website to access the download page for the missing DLL file. Download the latest DLL file version that matches your system architecture. The download will then begin shortly once prompted. And you can find the file in your downloads folder once it's done downloading. Once you have completed the steps, you should be able to play Roblox without encountering the Roblox failed to load library SensApi.dll error. And that should fix it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Roblox error, fail to upload library SensApi.dll. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.